Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. And in today's video, we're talking about the Lasko Misto outdoor misting fan. Now in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this outdoor misting fan and help you know what it's like to use it. Now, what makes this fan fantastic is the actual misting feature, and you'll notice there's 3 little nozzles at the front of the fan that will actually go ahead and blow out mist, and the fan will carry that mist into the air. Now, this fan is fantastic for your patio or your deck or even just sitting outside in a picnic. They claim that this fan can reduce the air temperature up to 25 degrees, which is a lot. Now, I was very pleased to find out that this fan has 3 speeds included, and at the softest, it is just a light breeze, and at the hardest, it is very strong and very powerful. I think that's fantastic if you have a large area to cover, such as a large patio, and you want to turn this fan up to a high setting. This will powerfully distribute the mist across the patio with the high setting of the fan. Now, the water supply attachment actually attaches to any garden hose, which is very easy to do. This fan also has a carrying handle, making moving and relocating this fan very easy. Overall, the fan has a very high quality feel to it. The material that it's made with is very sturdy and strong, and that's why I highly recommend this Misto fan. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.